Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are back with this Jeep again, and we are doing the fan upgrade for the V8. So this is if you want to get an upgraded fan clutch for the Jeep, and it's pretty simple to do. Pretty much plug and play other than a little few tweaks, but let me go ahead and show you what we're gonna do. Actually, before we continue, we are doing a giveaway for a jump pack, so make sure to sign up because we are doing the giveaway tomorrow on my YouTube channel live stream. So be ready, sign up, it's down below, easy to sign up. So now let's continue with the video. We do have a list here and just a checklist, that way you make sure everything's good. There's still a grip of things to do. He's gonna work on the cooling system now. Yep. It's gonna require a new fan, which is over here, and then a new clutch for that, as well as 4.7 baby. So this is a new fan shroud. Got it online, and we're putting the same fan back on. It seems like it's fine, so we're gonna test it out. We might run this on a switch because it doesn't seem like it's turning on. So
yeah, I'm definitely gonna put it on a switch.
Put on a switch, yeah. And then he still also has a fan clutch that he's gonna put in as well. So this should stay pretty cool when off-roading. We'll see though. So since the fan is being replaced, this is an upgrade from Chevy, part number 620-155. And then this clutch is for the WJ?
Yeah, this is for the Grand Cherokee, the V8 though.
The V8, okay. And the hole here, it's smaller than the edge of this, so you're gonna have to file this down a little bit, that way it fits. Not too bad. And this fan is way better to use because it has more fins, correct?
Yeah.
More fins, more airflow, way better. So now it's shaved down and it fits along the circle, and this doesn't really align the fan. What aligns the fan is the holes, and we do have to widen those a little bit because the bolt won't go through as is. Go ahead and make the holes bigger, spray some lubricant. It's a little dull, but it'll work.
Oh man. No,
it's too dull. All right, make sure you have a sharp
5/16.
Make sure you have a sharp drill bit because that'll make this way easier. Yes, sir. There it is. Nice. Make sure you deburr it, and then it's ready to go. So if you look inside of the fan, it shows you the front, and that means that this piece will be put on like this. So the front goes towards the front of the Jeep. So when you put on the fan clutch, you want the threaded side on the back side. And the little screws go in. Maybe you should put some Loctite. Or full send. So we found some Loctite, and you definitely want Loctite on this because it is gonna move, it is gonna vibrate, and you don't want the bolts to back out. So put some on. And drilling the holes and adjusting the fan clutch by grinding it down, it took about like 20 minutes, I would say. So it doesn't take a long time. You're gonna spend longer actually taking the fan out than putting this together. And if you're doing this job, get the fan clutch removal tool from AutoZone or your local part house. They usually rent them out. This is what Paul recommended because he did it already. He struggled already.
It takes a long time if you don't have it.
Tighten them to spec, which is 3 oogadugas. I don't know.
That's accurate.
Google the specs because we don't, and we just send it. And when tightening this up, remember this is an aluminum housing, like the clutch part, so don't over tighten it. Make sure you do it to spec, and when you tighten it, do it in a cross pattern, that way it tightens up evenly.
So this is going to be a thing.
Yeah, this is the fun part right here. So these coolant lines, they do get in the way a little bit, so you kind of have to jiggle it in, but it'll go in. You might need a second hand for this.
Yeah, so I think what I gotta do, that's sketchy. I have no clue how to
just go straight down. I did this before on mine.
Straight down?
Yeah. So let's do it straight down. It's a little sketchy.
This is hitting this guy right here.
Yeah, so once I get this side in, that side will just drop in.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah.
There we go. That side goes in.
Yeah. This guy.
You can plug it in after.
All right.
Yeah, that's how I did mine. Okay.
And then that. So
Where's it getting stuck? I think on the bottom. So we've been trying to tackle this for like 20 minutes. It's a little tight, but we're almost there. Just got to get that little tab down. Once we get that tab down, it'll just sit in place.
So is it the tab that's right there? Yeah.
So go, I say go on down there. Oh no, you got it. You almost got it. I would say go down there and try to pull the shroud like towards the back of the Jeep.
Yeah.
And then I'll push down from up here. This side we got down.
Yeah.
There it is. Nice. Now the fun part's gonna be getting the fan in there.
Yeah. But I think I can put the fan in from right here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it to you? Or let me try from the top first. All right, so we were able to get it in through the top right here. This thing's loose, so we were able to jimmy it in there. Now that it's in, we can tighten it up.
Good to go.
And tighten up the fan shroud too. So that's how you put in the Chevy fan in a WJ. And look, it sits out of the way and it clears the electric fan too. Let's go. Whew. That's right. Light work. So now what is left to do is to tighten this up. This is where the tool from Harbor Freight, the tool from AutoZone comes into play. Nice little wrench. And what that does is it holds the pulley from spinning, correct?
Yep. Let's grab this side. Got it?
Yep. Go.
Feel good about that.
Okay.
She's alive again!
So that was how you put in the upgraded fan clutch on your V8 WJ. So if this video helped you guys out, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.